Finding the right store location should be quick and easy. With eLocate, you can create a store locator for your online store, making it easier for customers to find the location that's right for them. You can add your store locations and show helpful details like store hours and services. You can also use filters to help customers find the right location. Then customize your store locator to match your brand. Whether you're setting up eLocate for the first time or just need help with a specific feature, these guides are here to help. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Now, let's start by opening eLocate from your epicApps dashboard. After logging into your epicApps account, look at the left sidebar. Under Apps, you'll find the Products and Design section. This is where you'll find eLocate, along with other epicApps available for your store. If you notice other apps that aren't currently part of your account, you can explore the full epicApps collection by clicking More Apps from the menu to discover more tools that can help grow your business. Now, click eLocate to open the app. You'll arrive at the app overview page, where you'll find a quick introduction to eLocate and what it can do for your business. If you ever need assistance, simply click the Get Help button in the top right corner to access support resources. Need additional help or would like a personalized walkthrough? Our support team is always happy to assist. Just reach out to us at support@epicshops.com. And that's it. You're ready to start using eLocate. If you'd like to continue, the next guide will walk you through adding stores.